Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, everyone? Welcome back, grade 4. Okay, today we have a new lesson, lesson 12.6. So 12.5 is cancelled. So let's start with 12.6. Open your book, page 673. Yes, Faris?
Hi.
Hi, Faris.
Hi, Mr. Hi. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I am fine. You can open your camera.
Yes, I can. Okay, let's start. Let's get the party
Millimeters and
started.
centimeters. Yeah, with Mr.Mo'men.
Yes, Ryan.
King.
Can I keep my microphone open?
Yes, of course.
Thank
Ammar.
you.
Mister, can we continue the game of yesterday today?
Okay, if you finish our lesson, so at the end of the lesson, we're gonna start a new game. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let's start our lesson. As I said before, today's lesson is lesson 12.6, and it will be about metric units of length. So we studied before the customary units of length, and this is the metric units of length. Okay, who can tell me what is the customary units of length? Who can answer me? How many customary units of length? Okay, Ryan. Yes, Ryan.
So, do you mean by custom, whatever you said, do you mean by like meters, centimeters, like that?
No, that's our lesson today. It's a metric units of length. But I asked for what is that geometric or customary units of length. Customary units of length. That's 12.2. Okay, thank you so much, Ryan. What about Faris? Can you tell me what are the customary units of length?
I think millimeters.
No, anything with meter, it's called metric units of length. Okay, I'm asking for the customary units of length that we studied before
Centimeter?
in lesson 12.2. Okay, yes, Ammar.
Pounds.
Thank you for trying.
Feet, yard,
Feet, yard, and
feet. I remember feet and yard and inches.
inches. Excellent. Feet, yard, inches. That are the customary units of length. Thank you so much, Ammar. Great job, man. Okay, so that's the meaning of customary units of length. Now we're gonna talk about metric units of length. Okay, that Ryan mentioned and Faris mentioned before. Okay, let me show you what are the metric units of length. Okay, so we have the first one, meter. and the abbreviation is letter M, and then decimeter, and the abbreviation of decimeter is DM, and we have centimeters, and its abbreviation is CM, and millimeter, and abbreviation with MM, double M, okay? That are all metric units of length, okay? So, as we see here, 1 meter is 10. Hey guys, be quiet, Ryan. So 1 meter is 10 times as long as 1 decimeter. And 1 decimeter is 10 times as long as 1 centimeter. And 1 centimeter is 10 times as long as 1 millimeter. So write this after me, please. All of you, write this after me. Okay, if you
Teacher?
want to convert from meter,
Why did we skip 12.5?
because we don't need it, okay?
Okay.
So from meter to decimeter, you have to multiply by 10, okay? And from decimeter to centimeter, and then multiply by 10 here, and from centimeter to millimeter, you should multiply by 10. Okay, write this, and then I will give you an easy way to memorize it, okay?
Teacher, I have a question.
Yes.
From from one of these, does it say you have to multiply it by 10 to get that much? Because I'm not sure which one you're talking about. Like, do you
Okay,
have to multiply
if you have
DM?
your in your ruler, you have centimeter or meter or decimeter.
Give me a second. I'm gonna get my ruler.
Mister, you have to write this one or describe the pattern you see.
No.
And after one, compare the size of 1 meter to the size 1 centimeter.
Wait. No, don't write anything, just try the numbers, okay?
Are you gonna explain or what?
Wait, man, wait. So,
Okay.
do you have your ruler?
No, I'm trying to find it.
So you didn't find it, okay? Okay, so in your ruler, we have 1, 2, 3. It's graded to through 20 or to 30, right? So it between each two numbers, it's called centimeter. So this space is called centimeter, okay? is
They're
Smith.
here in my
Okay,
room.
and we have, yes, great. And we have here my ruler also, okay? Wait, my laptop is lagging, so
I can't
wait,
find it.
wait, please. My
Yeah,
laptop
okay.
is so lagging.
Check your internet or signal.
Wait, man, wait. Okay, okay, let me show you my ruler here. So my ruler here, as you see, between each we have here, do you see this big one? We have this big one, or I will give you a real ruler from the internet.
Let's try this one between them.
Wait. Okay, so do you see the ruler here?
Yes,
We have
do.
the big one here, the big dash here, okay? The distance
Yes.
between them is called centimeter, okay? Do you agree with me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. And we all know
Yeah.
that the small dashes between the two numbers represent a
Millimeter?
smaller unit, smaller than centimeter. So it represents milli.
Millimeter?
Yeah. So this small dash, the distance between the two small dashes is called millimeter. Okay. So if you count the dash between each two numbers, you'll find them 10, right? You'll find them 10 millimeter, right? So each 1 centimeter equivalent to 10 millimeter, right? And the same goes with 1 decimeter equals 10 centimeter, okay? And 1 meter equals 10 decimeter, okay? I will give you an example to make it easier for you, okay? To memorize it. Okay, all of you, try to take a piece of paper, a blank white paper,
Yeah.
and try to put your hand on it. Put your hand like that on it. Yeah. No, put your hand on the table, on your desk. Okay? On your desk. And take the pencil or the pen, your pen or your pencil, and follow me. So we're gonna
Should I
take
draw?
pencil.
Should I draw the outline of the
Yeah,
fingers or?
yeah. We're gonna draw the outline of my hand here, like that. Are you following me?
Trying to get my pencil, but I don't know where it is.
Mr. We draw?
Yeah.
Yes.
And I will see the drawing of all of you. So draw, because it's so important to memorize how can we convert between the metric units of length, okay?
What is so important about what is the difference between our hands and the customary unit of
I will tell you
length?
now. I will tell you now. After you finish, show me, please. Mahdi?
Oh my God.
Yes, great, Mahdi.
Bad.
Yeah, great, Mahdi. Thank you so much, Mahdi.
Mine is the worst.
Who else? Yes, can you, Rida? Rida Nadir, yeah. Rename yourself, Rida, because it's so small, I can't see it. Thank you, Rida. And Haidar Ahmad, great job, Haidar. Thank you so much. Who else? Yes, Ubaid, that's it. Great job, Ubaid. Okay, wait, we're gonna continue. Keep it with you. Okay, who else?
Actually, mine is the worst. Mine is the
No,
worst.
no. Trust yourself, man.
Taking an hour, wallahi.
Yeah, Ali Dawood. Great job, Ali Dawood. Turkey. Okay, remove your hand. I can't see it. Make it closer, please. I can't see it. Yes, now I can see it. Okay, great. Great, Turkey. Thank you. Okay, who else? Yasin, did you draw your hand? Okay. Yes,
Don't know.
Ali Miseri. Great job, Ali Miseri. Yes, Ammar. Thank you. Hadi Al-Mukhemil, did you draw your hand? Ali Bukurain. I can't see your hand, Ali Kurain. Where is Abbas? Abbas, why you didn't turn on the cam? Come on, Abbas. Remove your mask. You remove your filter. Yeah. Let me see your beautiful face, man. Yeah. So did you draw your hand or not? Come on, hurry up.
Yeah, this is the
Stop
thing
playing,
that I
Turkey. Stop
tried.
playing, Turkey. Stop playing or I will stop your video. Okay, great. It's a great, Shadi. It's a great, very Shadi. Yeah. Okay. Now, let's see what we're gonna do, okay? So, between each finger here, we have here multiply by 10, here multiply by 10, and here multiply by 10, okay? Between each two fingers, we're gonna multiply by 10, okay? Right after me, please. Multiply by 10, multiply by 10, multiply by 10, okay? And then let's write the name of each finger, okay? The name of this finger is meter. So let's write M here. Change the color. Meter, okay? So you have to memorize this one. It's called meter, okay? This one is called meter, okay? And
We
this
put
one,
between this one.
as I am writing here, okay? So, and this one is called decimeter, DM. DM, the abbreviation of decimeter. And this one is centimeter. And this one is millimeter, double M, okay? So we have this one is kilometer, but we don't need it. We're gonna talk about it in grade 5, so don't write it, okay? So each finger has
Okay.
a metric unit of length, okay? So if you need to convert from any two numbers, you have to multiply, right? So
Yeah.
if I ask you from meter to decimeter, we're gonna multiply by what? What is the number is between?
10.
10. So from meter to decimeter, you're gonna multiply by 10, okay? Okay. What about from decimeter to centimeter? From decimeter to centimeter. So you have to keep in your mind the name of each finger here, okay? So from decimeter to centimeter, what we're gonna do?
10. 10. Multiply by
We're gonna
10.
multiply by 10. And then from centimeter to millimeter, we're gonna multiply by what?
10 also.
By 10 also. Okay. I need someone smart here to answer me. Okay. Now, if I want to convert from this finger
Yeah.
from meter, wait, let's take another one. From meter to centimeter, I'm gonna multiply by what?
Me.
Who can help here? Okay, Ubaid.
We're gonna multiply by 20.
Okay. What
Oh,
about Haida? What do you think? I'm gonna multiply by
So
20?
we have to time. So we time with each. We time each of these three. We times a meter with the centimeter.
No,
teacher.
wait. Thank you, Ubaid, thank you. Thank you, Haider. Okay, what about Ammar? What do you think?
100.
Okay, thank you, Ammar. What about Faris? What do you think, Faris? You're gonna multiply
100.
by 20 or 100?
100. Because 10 multiply 10.
Yeah, okay, what about Ryan? What do you think?
I agree with Ammar and Faris. 100.
Okay, great. Okay, I think I will see Turkey. What do you think, Turkey? You're gonna multiply by
100
or 100?
and don't mute me.
Okay, thank you. What about Abbas? What do you think? 100 or 20?
100 because 10 multiply 10. Not mute me, please.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so as we all know, 10 multiplied by 10 equals 100, right? So if you move two fingers, so you have to multiply by 10 and then multiply by 10. So you should multiply by 100. So if you move from this finger to this finger, from meter to centimeter, so you have to multiply by 10 and then multiply by 10 again, okay? Because you moved to two fingers. So you have to multiply by 100. Okay, another question. What about if you want to convert from meter to millimeter? We're gonna multiply by what?
يكون هذا لو
Meter,
سووا
don't talk without my permission. Don't talk without my permission. Okay? So Rida Nadir, what do you think?
I think 300 or
300. Okay, thank you, Rida Nadir. Okay, Ubaid, what do you think?
it's 300.
300. Thank you, Ubaid. What about Mahdi? What do you think, Mahdi? From meter to millimeter, what do you think? I'm gonna multiply by what?
By 200.
200. Thank you. What about Haider? What do you think?
Same, so I think 300.
300. Okay. So what about Ryan? What about Ryan?
It's 1000.
Okay, 1000. Okay, what about Faris?
Agree with Ryan, 1000, because 10 multiply 10 multiply 10.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now we're
Yeah,
gonna move
also like
three
them.
fingers. So we're gonna move three fingers. So if you move three fingers, so you have to multiply by 10 and by 10 and by 10. So we're gonna multiply by 10 three times. So we're gonna multiply by 1000, not 300. Don't add the numbers. You're gonna multiply. So multiply means 10 by 10 by 10 equals 1000. Okay, so if you need to multiply, convert from meter to millimeter, you're gonna multiply by 1000. Okay, let's back to our lesson now. Okay, skip the next page and let's move to page 675. Okay, as you see here, from meter to centimeter, so look to our fingers from meter to centimeter, we're gonna multiply by 100. So 2 multiplied by 100 equals 200. Okay, the next one. 3 centimeter to, from centimeter to millimeter. So look to your fingers. We're going to multiply by 10. So it will be 30. And the next one, 5 decimeter to centimeter. You have to multiply by 10 again. So it will become 50.
Mister, I did all of it myself.
Great, great. Thank you so much, Abbas. Okay, so let's use the samples here, greater than or smaller than. Let's compare between two quantities with different units, okay? So we have 4 meters and 40 decimeter. Okay, I think Haider can help me here. Haider.
Yeah.
So we need to compare between these two numbers, two quantities. So we have different units or the same units here, meter and decimeters.
They're the same.
There's a same meter, the same with decimeter. I'm asking for the units. The units,
No,
we have the same units.
are different.
So you have
Units
to
are
make them same units, right? So which
Yeah, so
small,
4 times
with the
10
small,
equals
with the small unit, decimeter or meter?
meter.
Meter is a small unit. Come on, man.
Wait.
Meter is the biggest unit, and then
Yeah.
decimeter after it, and then centimeter, and then comes millimeter. So millimeter is the smallest unit, and meter is the greatest unit. Okay.
Okay.
So where is the
What are you
smallest
trying
unit here?
to
Decimeter or meter?
Meter. Meter is the biggest.
I'm asking about smallest, the smallest unit. As we read before, the small unit, put it as the same and convert the big unit to become small unit, okay?
Okay.
So put
Teacher,
40
can I answer number?
decimeter as the
Can
same.
I answer?
And then let's multiply. We're gonna multiply by what here to give us decimeter? We have meter. We're gonna multiply by what to write it with decimeter?
We have to do 4 times 10. 4 times
Yeah,
10
4
equals
times 10, so it becomes 40. So it will be 40 decimeter and 40 decimeter, so they are equal. Okay, so that's our lesson for today, guys. You have to keep in your mind the name of each finger, guys. It's so important to convert. You have to keep in your mind that if you move from finger to another finger, you have to multiply by 10. If you move 2 fingers, you have to multiply by 100. And if you move 3 fingers, you have to multiply by 1000.